Here we go. Starting to get cold out, brother. Huh. Let them know. Just walking through my apartment hallway. Ooh. Ooh-wee. Jazzy Fizzle. Fizzle production shizzle. The princess is here. Jordan 3s. Okay. All right. Okay. I have been waiting to get my hands on these, let me tell you. Yes, sir. Let me turn on some lights in here. It's probably too dark. Okay, we all know Jordan 3s are some of the most iconic sneakers out there. I've actually been waiting to get these in. This is the Jordan 3 Pine Green, and it's pretty dope. I mean, you guys can see this little nice box. We're doing this little vlog style, just doing it from the iPhone. Got these in from the homie Retro. Huge shout out to him as usual. A lot of you guys are wondering if you want to buy sneakers early, you can join his VIP program. He's gotten me everything early, which is convenient for me, and I know a lot of you guys like to flex early, so all up to you. But I mean, right off rip, you can just see this is just something that would remind me of like an Oregon 3 or some type of PE. You got this really dope nubuck suede throughout the entire sneaker, which is very clean. It would have been cool to add some, like, just something different on the back. Like, why does Nike just get rid of the jump, man? Just put the Nike Air. You know what we want, Jordan Brand, but this is still cool. You have like this embroidered 2-3 on the tongue too. That's dope. I mean, these are clean. I haven't been keeping as many Jordan 3s. There's a lot out there that I want, but just been kind of skipping out on them. I mean, right now I have the Black Cement 3s, the Dornbecker 3s, and honestly, I think these. Oh, I have the True Blue 3s. I got the Tinker 3s. We got some 3s around here. Nothing crazy. I love wearing 3s mostly during like the fall, winter, springtime, just because during the summer, they just seem too hot to me. You know what I mean? Like, I'll be wearing slides and Prestos, like real comfortable, breathable shoes when it comes to the summer. But as it gets a little colder, these are a go-to. But yeah, I want to give you guys a little vlog style here. Just say what's up, man. Got them early. Stay tuned for the review. If you do want to pick these up, definitely go true to size with any 3. Got these in 11.5. Probably truly need a 12. But wanted to get them early just to show you guys and do the whole review thing on there. Details. I just feel like you can't ever go wrong with the color green, you know what I mean? Ooh, bars. Like, very premium, very premium. Retailing these bad boys, $190. Tough. Wow. I mean, don't they just kind of remind you of like a PE or something? I wonder, Mike, why you wearing wool socks? It's cold out here, bro. That's why. I remember back when I was in college, man. Even in high school, I would walk around with my shoes OD tight, bro, for no reason. Wouldn't let the dogs breathe. Then it got to the point where I wore my shoes too loosely. Damn near be slipping off my feet. I think this is about the perfect space, you know what I mean? Perfect looseness, brother. Look very good on feet. Wow. I mean, the socks ain't it, but they it, you know? They it when you're cold. They it when you're old. Sam I am, yes I am. Green eggs and ham. Can I get an amen? Sheesh. Leah, you want to take a little sniff of these things? Nah, not your flavor. I can dig it. Oh, second look. Would you cop these? Would you cop these? Oh, you just farted. Yeah. Bro, can somebody tell me, does anybody else's dog fart and get scared of it? He be farting, bro, and just scares the life out of him. He'll be running. He'll run in the other room. It stinks, too. Woo! Woo! Shoes smell like money. It's got to be the shoes, money. Other than that, bro. Whew. What's up, man? Like, what new hobbies have you guys been on? Sneaker collecting is like fun and all, but there's other things I like to do, dog. Been playing tennis, been golfing. This crypto thing has been blowing my mind. Like, I had all these homies always tell me about buy Bitcoin and NFTs. And I'm like, dude, I'm not doing that. Like, no, thank you. But now I've just been kind of learning about it. And it's like, if you already have, it's important to have a savings account, if you didn't know, right? You should always have a savings account. But sometimes you just have money sitting there. I took some of the money in my savings and I was like, let me put this into NFTs. And I finally like sold a few, like finally, like I wanted to know how it worked. You know, you buy them at a certain price, and I made in 9 days from just one. This is just one $500, which is crazy. I'll talk more about it. You guys can follow me on Twitter. That's kind of where I do more NFT stuff. But that's just one thing that I've really been into. Been playing COD, bro. Addicted. I need a squad on COD that's nice. So if you nice at Call of Duty, bro, add me, Mike the Compass. It's my PSN. But yeah, other than that, bro, just been kind of got like the whole office set up pretty nice. Nothing too crazy. Got some new pickups. Got the off-whites. Oh yeah, I forgot I got these Jordan 3s, bro. I got the Travises. Got some new dunks and a lot of good stuff. So yeah, building back that classic sneaker wall. And you can kind of see the office is a mess right now. Just actually installed. You guys can see a little setup with the iPhone. This goes to show, man, you can use your iPhone. Don't sleep on making videos. Installed the new paper drop. I'm gonna work on some stuff for reverence. And then, you know, the craziest thing, the newest thing, which you guys will probably see in a video, Funko sent me over hella stuff. Like, how dope is this? He sent me the UNC Michael Jordan. Like, bro, they got these new gold labels dropping. Got the Lil Wayne, Biggie, Pop sicker than your average, yes sir. Batman, you know. And yeah, I got some new art stuff in. I got it rolled up. But yeah, basically, guys, I've just been on like a whole, I just want to put my money into safe bets. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can do stocks, all that blah, blah, blah. I want my money to work for me because truly the only goal is to just be on my own time. And luckily, doing YouTube has made me get to enjoy that. But it's like, I don't ever want to lose it. So any money I make, I want to put into things that is going to just consistently make me money. So I have the freedom to just be on my own time, bro. It's not even about being rich, man. It's about being wealthy. Like, just to, if I want to just sit in my house today, like all day and not work and not even think about anything, like I don't want to feel guilty to work. You know, like I feel like today's society is all about like this hustle culture. You need to hustle, grind harder, wake up, don't sleep. It's like, bro, I want to sleep. I want to eat good. I want to work out. I want to truly enjoy what life has to offer, not this rat race of trying to see who's got the most. Like, no, life ain't about that. I mean, clearly with all the shoes in the back, but again, that's just a hobby. So that's pretty much what I've been on, guys. Just wanted to talk to you a little bit, see what's going on. So what do you think? You gonna be copying the Pine 3s? Yes or no? Let me know down below, but I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.